Okay, first of all we need to install that Collage app into our computer or the laptop. Then after only we can work with that. Today here first of all I'm going to show you how to install this Collage app into your computer or the laptop. There are many ways, there are 3 options you can do it. First of all I'm going to show you how to download this software from the Google. Okay, click on the Chrome and in Google search, click on the search button here and type there Collage free download for Windows 7, and there you will get the links. The first one, Collage free and softonic.com. Click on this one and you will get into the Softonic page. There you can see at the top green color, this one, free download. Click on it and here at the bottom say no thanks, continue to download Collage. Click on it and then here green color free download. Click on this button. Okay, you can close that and you can click on this get. Once you click on this get, it will start to install. Okay, that is the one way you can download, you can install this Collage app into your computer like this. Click on get. Because if you will get this message if you already have this Collage app in your Microsoft Office, Microsoft Store. Okay, so if you don't have this Collage app in your computer, you can use the Google. You can search Collage software for Windows 7 and you can download it easily. And another one is, another option I will show you here. On your computer screen at the bottom there is the taskbar. In the taskbar there is search option. Click on there and type go to the start menu and scroll down the menu here and click on Microsoft Store, this one. Click on it and open, and you will open the Microsoft Store. There are many apps. Click on the search, type there Collage. Okay, here see, and click on the Collage app. You can easily install this by clicking this one. If you couldn't do both of these ways, if you couldn't find your Collage app in your Microsoft Store, or else if you couldn't find this Microsoft Windows 7 in the Google, and if it is not supported to your computer, there is another option as well. Easily the same thing you can do in your smartphone. Go to your App Store and type there Collage, and easily you can install that Collage software app into your smartphone and you can work with that the same. Okay, here it's ready to use. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Now let's see. Now my Collage software, my Collage app has installed into my computer. Now how to open it after install? On your computer screen at the bottom there is a taskbar. In the taskbar there is a search option. Click on it and type Collage. Okay, in the pop-up menu now you can see the Collage app. Either you can click on here or else you can click on open. Click on it and open it. This is the app we are going to work with. Okay, this is the Pic Collage app. Now first of all I'm going to show you how to manipulate, to resize, to do cropping. We need to have some images. Here I'm going to show you how to search some images in the web. Okay, after open this, you will see on the right corner at the top there is a plus sign. Click on that, and in this pop-up menu you will see some options there. Click on the web search, and I'm going to search an image of flower. Okay, type the word flower and click on search. You will get lots of beautiful flowers. Okay, and I need to select. You can select any kind, any number of flowers. I'm going to select this one, and also I'm going to select this one. You can select any number of images. After clicking, you will see that it has selected by ticking, and on the top at the left corner there is a arrow button. Click on it. Now you will see your both selected images are on your screen. Okay, by clicking and dragging you can move them. When you select, you can see at the bottom on the right corner there is a arrow button. By clicking that and dragging, you can make it big or small like this. You can resize it. You can make it big or small, or you can turn as well. If you turn around your mouse, if you move it, you can turn it like this. Okay, and this one also, see, look. Okay, see, you can turn, you can make it big, you can make it small, or you can place it like this as well. Whatever you wish you can do. And I'm going to search another picture also. Here, see how I'm going to search an image. Now this plus sign has come to bottom in the middle. Click on the plus button, click on the web search, and I'm going to search here a rabbit. Okay, and click on the search button. Okay, you can select any image. I'm going to select this one, and after same way click on this arrow button. See, it's on your screen now. Now I'm going to show you how to crop this, how to cut this, how to cut this image. Okay, when you select, you will see the arrow button. Click on that. There are many options. You can give many effects. You can clip it. You can make a duplicate. You can make a duplicate another image of this, and you can send it back, set as background. You can make borders, or else you can delete also. This is how you can delete. Okay, now here I'm going to show you how to crop, how to cut it. When the picture is selected, click on this arrow button and click on the effects. Now you can see at the four corners there are small white color circles are there. By clicking and bringing them inside, you can crop it. See, click it and drag it and bring it inside. If you want to take it up, you can do it. See, and if you want to bring it down from up, you can do it. After doing changes, always you have to click on this arrow. See, it has cropped. Now we have cropped this image, we have cropped this flower image into a rectangle shape. Imagine if you want to crop this image around the shape. I want to take only this rabbit. Okay, how to do that? Let's see. Click on the image, click on the arrow button and the second button, clip, the scissor button, click on that. Now click on where you want to start. Here see, by clicking and drag it, you can start to cut. Now you can see your mouse point has changed into a scissor, and you can stop it and start again. If you feel you want to stop and start, you can do it. See, cut around the rabbit, and you want to start from here, go up and come down like this, stop it and go up and around the ears, come down and stop like this, yeah, and come down around the legs now and stop it and join the beginning. Okay, so now we have cropped this rabbit image. Now what to do? The same thing again and again. After doing changes, after manipulating, you have to click on this arrow. See, it has cropped around only the rabbit. These are the two ways you can crop. And let's see now, imagine if you want to give a title for these two images, you want to give the name. Let's see how to do that. At the bottom, in the middle, there is a plus button. Click on it and click on the text button and give the name flower. And from here you can select any font style. See, you can select any. Okay, after that click on the arrow button. Now you want to take this flower above the picture. How to do it? Click on the flower, click on the word, drag it and bring it onto the picture and place it above. Okay, this is how you can do. Let's see how to give the name for rabbit. Click on the plus button here, this one, and click on the text, type the word rabbit and you can select the font and click on the arrow button, and if you want to take this one above the image, click it and drag it onto the top. Okay, this is how you can do. And now let's see how to change the color effect of an image. Select the picture and click on this arrow button. The first one, click on the effects. Now at the bottom you can see there are different effects. See, you can give fog effect, milky, antique, it will change the color little by. Negative, see, you can do. Look, upside down, horizontal, any. Okay, after giving the effect, if you want to do the change, or else if you don't want to give any color to this, you can select the no effect and you can click on this arrow. Or else if you want to give another color, click on it and click on the arrow. Okay, and let's see how to give another color effect to this rabbit. Click on the rabbit, click on the arrow, click on effects, and here see, you can change the color effects. Negative is there, antique, fog, any. Okay, see, before the rabbit was to this side, and by clicking the horizontal flip you can turn it to another side, or else upside down like this. Okay, I like this horizontal flip. So, and after manipulating, after doing changes, click on the arrow and it will come onto your screen. Now I have finished my manipulating. I have done changes.